This is my first unboxing, a package I have been waiting on from BH Cosmetics. Took about a week. The tracking notification kept saying they were having issues with, I think it was Irma. It was of a concern for package delivery. So, let's see what I ordered here. Stuff I didn't really need, but you never have too much makeup and accessories. I got some eyelashes because my daughter likes to keep taking down. A couple of pair of little wispy ones. I'm getting a little bit better at applying them, but I do much better at applying them on her. I got the HD Proud Brow Pencil. The reviews on these were very good, so I got 2 of them, and they sort of used the color comparison with ABH Chocolate. So I hope this works. I heard they were really good. Another pair of lashes. Sometimes they look too long online, but when you get them on, you know, you get them, they look perfectly okay. At least on her anyway. The packaging is pretty sound. This is the free gifts I got because I ordered too much, and it is a Afternoon Rendezvous 6 in color eyeshadow palette. Looks pretty cute on the outside. I guess you really gotta go too much in detail because it should look just like it looks on the outside. Pretty cute, pretty cute. I like that little purple color they have there. And what are these two? More palettes I picked up, like I said. I do really need that, you know. It keeps me sane. I got the For Your Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette and the Smoky Eyes 28 eyeshadow palette. And I got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things for $55. Not too bad. That's it. I just wanted to do my unboxing. BH Cosmetics. I really, really love their products. They're affordable too.